What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at ETH here, and as we can see, things still going very well. We always like to look at this macro time frame first. You can see, still trading upwards inside of our channel, looking very nice indeed. And then obviously if we zoom in, we can see here, things are going really well, aren't they, for ETH? Looks as though we're pretty much going to perfectly execute this W double bottom pattern, coming up to our price target here of around, $2,650. It looks as though Bitcoin at around 42k right now is just continuing to go up, despite the fact that it looks really overextended. 10 daily green candles in a row is pretty ridiculous. I think that might actually be the record. So pretty obvious that, sooner or later we are going to see that pullback. Hopefully ETH can backtest some of these EMAs here like we're seeing here, and then potentially, continue to the upside. Because currently it does look as though we are reversing the trend, aren't we? We've broken out of our key level of resistance here that we've been stuck under for ages. And as you can see, we've also been stuck under our EMAs. And, we're breaking out of both those, aren't we? Broken out here, back tested, come down, essentially back tested the low at around 1700. And, also hitting the bottom of our channel and also back testing this previous resistance pretty much. And, since then we've had a really nice pump, haven't we? Just like, Bitcoin's obviously had that big bullish divergence for literally months that we've been harping on about. And it has played out to perfection. You can see quite clearly here that we have basically just bounced and had a massive rip through all the resistance layers. We basically tested the 20 here, ripped through it, tested the 55, ripped through it, back tested both of them, and now we are actually moving up again, currently trading at around $2,450. So really nice there, really nice gains there for Ethereum. We can see quite clearly the whole market in general is just having a really nice pump. Things are looking really good, aren't they? I've got to say, we've been getting a lot of stick recently, but it does feel good for things to, be going exactly how we imagined they would be going. And this is essentially what we've been saying for a while now. Once you hit the bottom of this channel for Ethereum, and we do start getting very oversold, you can see what happens every time we hit the bottom of the channel and we're getting oversold. We do see big bounces to the upside. This is our daily time frame here on log scale, logarithmic scale, and you can see quite clearly that we are starting to get this bounce now near pretty much the bottom of the channel. Lots of areas of confluence for a bounce here, and you can see we've essentially just moved up, and we're heading back to, potentially the middle of this channel in the next few weeks. If Bitcoin breaks out, then we will be anticipating, heading up to the top of this range here, because obviously Bitcoin's been in a range as well, hasn't it? Bitcoin's been in a range like this, and Bitcoin's actually come to the top of its range now, something like this, and it's basically hitting resistance. And it needs to come back before it can move up, really, because it's getting really overextended. But obviously altcoins are lagging behind in terms of their technicals and their structure. You can see Ethereum's formed a very nice range that it's been ranging in as well. But obviously it hasn't come up to touch the top of its range yet. But if we do see Bitcoin, pull back and back test, we could see Ethereum coming back down to these kinds of levels, or back testing our EMAs. But then obviously if we do get that back test and that run up for Bitcoin, we're probably going to see a massive pump, aren't we? Let's just take a quick look at Bitcoin here. You can see quite clearly that we are essentially, look at this pump. This is absolutely insane. And we're just about to get that bullish flip of the EMAs on our daily time frame as well. That buy and go to the beach signal from CoinSkid. Shout out to CoinSkid, by the way. We love CoinSkid. Go check out his channel. He's got a really good channel on YouTube. You can see this huge bullish divergence we've been talking about for ages has finally come to fruition. We've got the fake out below 30k. Everyone's saying we're in a bear market. And then all the shorts got absolutely wrecked on the massive short squeeze. This might be the best short squeeze I've ever seen, to be honest. And you can see we've ran all the way up to around, 42.5k, almost 43k at the top of this range here, where we've essentially, got a really big level of resistance of 43k, haven't we? And, we're actually, currently back testing this previous level of resistance as support, aren't we? So God knows what's going to happen, because the momentum is crazy right now in terms of what Bitcoin's doing. But, do you think more likely than not, we're probably going to see, a pullback, a decent pullback here, probably to our EMAs, and also, these previous levels of support and resistance in this area here, before we do see that push through, probably to the upside here, most likely, because we are seeing a full reversal here, aren't we, for Bitcoin? You can see quite clearly, big bullish divergence, ripping through the 20, ripping through the 50. We've come all the way up to the range high, essentially. And now, we're looking most likely for a back test here, because, we're getting very overextended, and it would be very, very unlikely, in my opinion, that we just rip through this and keep going up like this, because this is a crazy parabolic move. And obviously, the more that you do this, the more chance of that huge move to the downside afterwards. So the way that this affects Ethereum, it's quite clear that Ethereum is benefiting very nicely from this pump, obviously, with Bitcoin leading the market. And you can see, we're probably targeting this $2,900 to $3,000 area if Bitcoin, does get that back test and then the bounce. So we're probably anticipating potentially a little pullback for Ethereum. If Bitcoin's obviously, it's getting very overextended, isn't it? But, things looking really good, aren't they? We're quite clearly reversing, out of here, aren't we, off the bottom, and now looking for higher price targets. So things looking really nice from what we can tell. And we're feeling, pretty damn quietly confident, we would say, that things are essentially, starting to turn around. So short-term price predictions, we would say, obviously, Ethereum does look as though it's grinding its way upwards right now, but we are potentially forming, some kind of bearish pattern here as well. This rising kind of wedge formation that we have been seeing, starting to lose momentum, obviously, and then, we would be anticipating potentially that pullback before we do actually see a bigger push to the upside. But obviously, you can see we're starting to reverse the pattern, aren't we? And if we make that higher low and that higher high, we're obviously going to be fully reversed out of it, which is really good to see. And then obviously, as we said, in the long term, we do think Ethereum, properly good project, really, really good. Probably going to be hitting 10k by the end of the bull run in the next 6 to 8 months. And then, 15 or 20k, definitely possible. That's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.